Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I wish all of you good health. Let's start today's video. Introduction. Welcome to our health revolution journey, where we unlock the secrets hidden in the humble avocado. You've probably heard about avocados being hailed as a superfood, but what exactly happens when you commit to integrating this creamy, nutrient-packed fruit into your daily diet? Imagine experiencing not just fleeting changes, but transformative health benefits that touch every aspect of your well-being. From the depths of scientific research, we bring you compelling evidence that sheds light on how a simple addition to your diet can have profound effects. Studies have shown that consuming just one avocado a day can usher in a host of benefits, from enhancing heart health and skin glow to boosting your brain and immune system. Join us as we delve into the world of avocados, backed by science and flavored with real-life transformations. Get ready to be amazed at how this green fruit can change your life for the better. Let's embark on this deliciously healthy adventure together. Heart health transformation with avocado. Imagine starting your day with a delicious slice of green goodness that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also embarks you on a journey to a healthier heart. Avocados, with their creamy texture and rich flavor, are not just a treat for your palate, but a boon for your heart. But don't just take our word for it. The science speaks volumes. A groundbreaking study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association revealed that individuals incorporating avocados into their daily diet experienced a notable decrease in bad LDL cholesterol levels. This wasn't a marginal change, but a significant stride towards a healthier cardiovascular system. LDL cholesterol, often tagged as the bad cholesterol, is a leading culprit behind clogged arteries and heart disease. By integrating avocados into your meals, you're essentially inviting a natural cholesterol manager into your life. But the benefits don't stop at cholesterol management. Avocados are a powerhouse of potassium, a mineral essential for maintaining electrical gradients in your body's cells and crucial for heart function. In fact, avocados contain more potassium than bananas, a fruit traditionally heralded as the go-to source for this mineral. This high potassium content aids in regulating blood pressure, offering a natural remedy to combat hypertension, a silent but deadly threat to heart health. Moreover, the monounsaturated fats found in avocados are heart-healthy fats. These fats contribute to reducing inflammation, a known risk factor for heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular ailments. A study in the Nutrition Journal found that individuals consuming avocados regularly had lower levels of inflammation, attributing to a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. In essence, by making avocados a staple in your diet, you're not just indulging in a tasty fruit, you're taking a proactive step towards a healthier heart, whether it's through lowering LDL cholesterol, managing blood pressure with potassium, or reducing inflammation with monounsaturated fats. Avocados offer a multifaceted approach to cardiovascular health that's both delicious and scientifically validated. So, next time you enjoy an avocado, remember you're not just satisfying your hunger, you're nurturing your heart one bite at a time. Glowing skin and weight loss secrets unveiled. Step aside, expensive skincare routines and fad diets. The secret to glowing skin and effective weight management might just be nestled within the creamy layers of an avocado. This unassuming fruit is proving to be a game-changer in the realms of beauty and weight loss, backed by scientific evidence that highlights its profound impact on our bodies. For the skin, let's dive into the science behind the glow. Avocados are rich in vitamin C and E, two antioxidants pivotal in skin health. Vitamin C is not just about warding off colds, it's a key player in collagen production, which gives our skin its elasticity and firmness. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition discovered that higher intake of vitamin C was linked to a reduced appearance of wrinkles and skin dryness. Vitamin E, on the other hand, acts as a protective shield against sun damage and free radicals, substances that can lead to premature aging. But avocados bring more to the table than just vitamins. The high content of monounsaturated fats helps in maintaining moisture levels in the epidermal layer of your skin, keeping it hydrated and plump. In essence, consuming avocados can lead to supple, moisturized skin that radiates health from the inside out. For weight loss. Now let's tackle the weighty issue of avocados and weight loss. Despite their rich fat content, avocados can be a valuable ally in weight management. The secret lies in their high fiber content and healthy fats, which can help you feel fuller for longer, reducing the urge to snack on less healthy options. A study in the Nutrition Journal found that participants who included avocado in their meals felt 23% more satisfied and had a 28% lower desire to eat over the next 5 hours compared to a control group. Moreover, the monounsaturated fats in avocados can aid in weight loss by targeting visceral fat, the stubborn fat that resides around your organs. Research published in the Diabetes Care Journal suggests that a diet high in monounsaturated fats can prevent body fat distribution around the belly by downregulating the expression of certain fat genes. By incorporating avocados into your diet, you're not just enjoying a delicious treat, you're embracing a holistic approach to health that beautifies your skin and aids in maintaining a healthy weight. The avocado is not a magic pill, but its potent combination of nutrients can significantly contribute to a healthier, more vibrant you. Boost your brain power. In a world where cognitive function is more critical than ever, from navigating the complexities of daily life to enhancing professional performance, avocados emerge as an unlikely yet powerful ally for your brain. The connection between diet and cognitive health is robust, with avocados playing a starring role in this narrative, offering a blend of nutrients that bolster brain function, the fatty advantage. Central to avocados' brain-boosting properties are their high levels of monounsaturated fats. These fats contribute to healthy blood flow, a fundamental aspect of efficient brain function. A study in the Journal of the American Heart Association suggests that healthy blood flow facilitated by monounsaturated fats can enhance cognitive abilities, including memory and attention. Nutrient powerhouse. But the benefits don't stop with fats. Avocados are rich in folate and vitamin K, nutrients essential for preventing blood clots in the brain, thus protecting against stroke, while also improving cognitive function, especially memory and concentration. Folate has been linked in studies, such as one published in the Journal of Nutrition, Health and Aging, to lower levels of homocysteine in the blood, high levels of which have been associated with cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. Moreover, avocados are a source of lutein, a carotenoid related to vitamin A, which research, including a study from the Journal of Aging Research, has shown can enhance memory, processing speed, and brain efficiency. Lutein accumulates in the brain, directly affecting the neuron's efficiency and thereby cognitive function. Real-world impact. Incorporating avocados into your daily diet could mean more than just enjoying a delicious fruit. It signifies a commitment to maintaining and enhancing your cognitive health. Imagine the long-term benefits of a sharper mind, from improved problem-solving skills to enhanced memory retention and faster processing speeds. Whether it's acing your next exam, staying sharp in your professional life, or simply enjoying the rich tapestry of life's experiences with a clear and active mind, avocados could be your secret weapon. In summary, avocados offer much more than meets the eye. They are not just a component of a healthy diet, but a catalyst for cognitive enhancement, backed by scientific research. By making avocados a staple in your nutritional regimen, you're not just feeding your body, you're nurturing your brain, setting the stage for a lifetime of cognitive vitality, vision and kidney health enhancements. In the kaleidoscope of health benefits offered by avocados, two aspects that shine brightly are their contributions to maintaining optimal vision and supporting kidney health. This creamy fruit's unique nutritional profile addresses these critical areas of health, underscoring the profound impact of diet on our well-being. A visionary nutrient profile. Avocados are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids that are essential for eye health. These natural antioxidants accumulate in the retina, providing protection against the harmful effects of blue light and UV rays, which are pervasive in our screen-dominated world. Research, including a study published in the Archives of Ophthalmology, has shown that lutein and zeaxanthin play a significant role in reducing the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts, leading causes of blindness in older adults. By incorporating avocados into your diet, you're essentially donning a pair of nutritional sunglasses to shield your eyes from damage. Furthermore, the vitamin E found in avocados enhances this protective effect. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that supports eye health by combating oxidative stress, a factor in the development of age-related eye conditions. Consuming avocados contributes to a defense mechanism that keeps your vision sharp and clear, allowing you to appreciate the beauty of the world in high definition. Kidney health unlocked. When it comes to supporting kidney function, avocados again take center stage, thanks to their high potassium content. Potassium is crucial for maintaining electrolyte balance and regulating blood pressure, both vital for kidney health. The kidneys play a critical role in managing potassium levels in the body, and avocados help ensure this balance is maintained. A study in the Clinical Journal of the American Society of Nephrology highlights the importance of potassium in the diet for reducing the risk of kidney stones and chronic kidney disease. Moreover, avocados' low sodium and high fiber content further support kidney health. By promoting the elimination of waste and reducing the risk of hypertension, a key risk factor for kidney disease, avocados contribute to the overall well-being of these essential organs. Incorporating avocados into your diet offers a simple yet effective way to care for your eyes and kidneys. Whether it's through the protective antioxidants that shield your vision or the potassium that supports kidney function, avocados provide a delicious and nutritious path to maintaining these critical aspects of health. Strengthen your immune system. In the quest for a fortified immune system, avocados emerge as a formidable ally. This fruit's rich tapestry of nutrients plays a critical role in enhancing the body's defense mechanisms against illnesses and infections. By delving into the science behind avocados' immune-boosting capabilities, we uncover how this versatile fruit can be a cornerstone of a healthful diet aimed at optimizing immune function. A symphony of antioxidants. At the heart of avocados' immune-strengthening properties are its antioxidants, including vitamins C and E, which serve as the body's shield against oxidative stress and inflammation, two significant barriers to optimal immune function. Vitamin C, well known for its immune-enhancing effects, not only supports the production and function of white blood cells, but also improves the skin's defense system, acting as a barrier against pathogens. A study published in the Nutrients Journal highlights the role of vitamin C in preventing and treating respiratory and systemic infections. Vitamin E, another antioxidant found in avocados, complements vitamin C by protecting cell membranes from oxidative damage. This is crucial for maintaining the integrity of immune cells that patrol the body and respond to invaders. The synergy between vitamins C and E amplifies the body's ability to combat infections and heal from injuries. The unsung hero. Glutathione. Avocados are also a rich source of glutathione, a molecule dubbed the master antioxidant. Glutathione plays a pivotal role in immune function by protecting cells from damage and supporting the detoxification process. It enhances the efficacy of other antioxidants, including vitamins C and E, creating a robust defense system against environmental and biological stressors. Research in the Journal of Immunology reveals that glutathione levels are directly linked to the health and function of the immune system, with higher levels associated with improved immune response. Monounsaturated fats, a double-edged sword for health. Beyond their antioxidant content, avocados' high levels of monounsaturated fats are instrumental in reducing inflammation, a common cause of weakened immune response. By mitigating inflammation, avocados ensure that the immune system functions efficiently, focusing its efforts on fighting off pathogens rather than dealing with chronic inflammation. This effect is supported by studies in the Journal of Nutrition that link diets high in monounsaturated fats with reduced inflammation and a lower risk of chronic diseases. Incorporating avocados into your daily diet can thus be seen as an investment in your immune health. Whether it's through enhancing the function of immune cells, protecting against oxidative damage, or reducing inflammation, avocados offer a multifaceted approach to bolstering the body's defenses. In a world where maintaining optimal health is paramount, avocados stand out as a delicious, nutrient-packed option for keeping your immune system strong and resilient. And there you have it, the incredible journey of health transformation with avocados. If you found this information enlightening and are looking forward to more health secrets and tips, Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with friends and family. Your support is our inspiration. Consider subscribing to stay updated on our latest content, and if you're feeling generous, click the join button to support us with a monthly token of appreciation. Your contribution helps us keep the wellness wisdom flowing. You can also appreciate us by clicking on the thanks button with a small amount as per your choice.